What is up, you guys? Now, before we even start, make sure you guys subscribe and leave a like. But today we are doing a Flexy ride set. Now, I have no experience with Flexy ride sets. I barely do it with my natural hair. I maybe done it once or twice, let alone with weave. So I am going to be experimenting with you guys today. I'm using like the holding foam because I love this tropical root stuff, like for flyaways, for like just holding the style, like that stuff is bomb. So I was like, it should work for Flexi rides, right? Okay, let's see what happens. So I'm gonna jump into it. I'm starting, just putting the foam on, brushing it through, thinking I know what I'm doing, and I should have done my whole hair this way by like just wrapping the hair down the Flexi ride. But when it got to the end, I couldn't figure out how to get the ends to stay tucked. Like, it was just popping up, and that was annoying me. So I did it a whole nother way. I couldn't figure out how to get it to do this way. I don't know how they do that. That's something that I'm still learning, or I'll figure it out eventually. Yeah, this whole thing was a struggle for me, because whatever, I tried. Here we go. Okay, so I know y'all see all these Flexi rides. Do y'all believe that I slept in this mess? Like, child, the complete struggle. Okay, whatever. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day. Now, I've never done this to my hair before. I look like somebody's house lady, but here we go. I ain't looking for like no tight uniform curls. I just want like a wave type thing. Oh, this is cute. Look at these little Shirley temples. Okay. And then I feel like once I comb it out, it'll look like something. So, yeah, y'all, this is the first time I ever did this a sew-in on my own hair. Like, I've done other people's hair, but I've never done one to my own hair, and let me tell you, it was the struggle. If you want to see me struggle through this, I'll have the video linked below. But yeah, girl, it was a complete struggle, a complete hot mess. Like, I was almost choking myself with the thread at one point because I couldn't figure out how to keep it behind me because I'm just so used to doing it in front of me. It was like the struggle. And it feel like a wig. Because I'm not used to like having all my hair put up when I have a sew-in. Like, before, I would get sew-ins and I would always have leave out. So like, this is my first time with a closure for real. Any of that. These are curly. Oh goodness, and it's hard. I think that foam made it hard.
Okay. Let me just take these out.
So if y'all ain't noticed, this is not what I expected at all. This is not what my goal was. This is not what I was aiming for. Now, nothing is wrong with how the curls came out. Like, that's cute, but that's not what I wanted. So this whole purpose of me uploading this, even though it was a fail, was to show you guys that you can still fix it when it's a fail. So here go me doing something. Y'all really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just trying to like stretch it a little bit and make it look like something. So I just skipped to doing my edges. And you see, I don't even got disappointment in my face because I'm like, I'm going to make this work. And that's the attitude that you got to have, sis. That even if it come out crazy, you going to make it work. You going to make it doable at the end of the day. And that's what we did. We did that.